morning, children. Today our topic is articles. Articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is a definite article. A and an are used with general nouns, that is, they are not used with a particular noun. They are used when we are talking about general nouns. A and an are used with singular countable nouns. The is used with specific nouns, that is, particular nouns. The is used with singular or plural, countable or uncountable nouns. For example, this is a book. Here we are talking about any book, not a particular book. So we have used a. When we talk about a noun in general, we use a or an. So a and an are indefinite articles. Now see this example. Give me the book lying on the table. Here we are talking about the book lying on the table, a particular book. So we have used the. When we talk about a particular noun, we use the. So the is a definite article. Now let's learn the use of articles one by one. A. A is used before singular countable nouns, beginning with consonant sounds. Keep in mind that it is sound that matters, not just the letter. You know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of that, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and others are consonants. So, a is used before singular countable nouns beginning with consonant sounds. For example, I want a mango. Here, mango begins with M, a consonant sound. So we use a. Karan is playing with a toy. Toy begins with T, a consonant sound. So we use a. An is used before singular countable nouns beginning with vowel sounds. For example, I want an orange. Orange begins with O, a vowel sound. So we have used an. My mother gave me an ice cream. Ice cream begins with I. Again a vowel sound. So we have used an. Let's take some more examples. He is an honest man. In this, we have used an before honest, though it starts with H because H is silent and there is sound of O, vowel sound. My father works in a university. In this example, U is a vowel, but it sounds like Y-O-U, consonant sound. So we have used a. Manya reached for the meeting an hour late. Here also H is silent and there is sound of O. So we have used N. Mark is a European. Here also there is sound of consonant. So we have used a. Now we will learn the use of article the. The is used when we refer to a particular person, thing or place. For example, Ravi lost the pen which I gave him. Here we have used the before pen because we are talking about a particular pen. which I gave to Ravi. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, and mountains. Examples: the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas. The is used before the names of monuments and buildings. Examples: the Red Fort, the Parliament House. The is used before the names of books, newspapers, and magazines. Examples: the Ramayana, the Times of India. The is used before the names of countries that contain the words republic, democratic, kingdom, and states. Examples: the UK or United Kingdom, the USA or the United States of America. The is used with the names of things which are one of their kind. Examples: the earth, the atmosphere, the sun, the moon, the sky. Now, note here, I have pronounced THE as the before earth and atmosphere, but THE as the before sun, moon, and sky. This is because we pronounce THE as the before the words beginning with vowels and THE as the before the words beginning with consonants. Remember, no article is used before proper nouns like names of people, places, etc. Examples: Ria is my friend is right, but the Ria is my friend is wrong. Udaipur is a beautiful city is right, but the Udaipur is a beautiful city is wrong. I hope now articles and the use of articles is clear to you.